Hello guys, welcome to We Fix Technology. This is a quick tutorial about how to create a WordPress website within a frame of 10 minutes. So I'm going to teach you, any of you guys can create WordPress website for your business. Does not matter what is your business type, and does not matter whether you know how to code or do not. All you got required, just a website domain name and a web hosting server. That's all we are expecting. And any business, small business owner, startups, or anyone can create a website by following this tutorial. Let's start. Let's jump into the hosting part. Once you have a hosting server, you can log in into your cPanel. It's going to show something like this. And before you start the operation, just make sure your domain name and hosting server, they are connected to each other. Most of the cases, if you bought from the same company, this is how it's gonna work. And if you did not purchase any hosting so far, so I'm gonna get you a link, hostinger.com. Pretty good site, and you can buy cost-effective domain and hosting from there. I'm gonna put the link on the description of my video. You can check it out. So let's assume you bought the hosting, you have the domain, and you wanted to create a website. As soon you get into your hosting panel, you're gonna show something like this. So we're gonna scroll a little bit, and you're gonna find an option there, WordPress. This little guy. Let me click on it. It's gonna bring us the infrastructure to install the WordPress onto our hosting panel. Let's say install, and I'm gonna pick one, and let me pick one number. These are a bunch of subdomains which I have installed on my website. You ignore that. In your case, it's gonna show your name instead of like this. It'll show the domain name of your business. You can pick it up. And I do not want to install the WordPress in the subdomain directory. I took it off. You can control the version, what version you wanted to install. Let's stick with the latest one. Here, site details, you can put your title, my first website. Oops. Any description if required. Here is the admin login details for your WordPress website. Let me pick a simple password for time being. The admin email, blah, blah, blah. You can explore these. Nothing fancy. Just click on install. Now, this might take a couple of minutes. It depends. It might take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever. And let's wait. Let's see what happens. Okay, great. So it's been installed. And finally, the website is live right now. It might be a dummy template so far. Here is the link. I'm going to click on this. And here's my first dummy website. That's not what we want so far, but it's just a dummy write-up and some images. We'll dive into it, how to change these details. It shows the title of my website. Here we have the admin control too. If you click on this link right here, it's gonna show you the admin panel. Perfect. So we have successfully installed WordPress onto our hosting panel, and the website is live with a dummy website. Let's change into a real website accordingly. So first thing first, we're gonna have to go to the settings and go to permalinks from here. And I may want to make it post name, the slug, make changes. This job is done. Now in second step, what we're gonna do, go to appear, friends, then themes, and we wanted to install one theme to get started with our website project. So I'm gonna say add new theme. It'll show me a bunch of themes here. You can search by name. There are a lot of themes. One of the most popular one on the internet world, on WordPress community, is called Astra theme. You're going to show it here, else you can search from here, search bar. I'm going to click on install. Again, it might take a minute or two. You're going to have to stick with it. Then click on activate. So once you install the theme, you may want it to activate that. As soon as it's activated, it's gonna throw a pop-up. Hey, do you want some starter kit or website templates. Why not? Yes, let's do that. Let's click on it. Now, what it is doing on the back behind the scene, it is installing a plugin which has a bunch of pre-built, or we can say ready-made styles for our website. And there we go. So you can get started from here. I'm going to go with classic starter templates. Let's build. Now it'll say what block editor you want. Elementor is one of the top-notch player in the market. Let's stick with Elementor. You can pick up according to your requirement. Now, here's the thing. There are hundreds of different websites. Some of them are paid and most of them are free. So let me see which one we wanted to install. How about this one? Home and garden decor. It could be anything. I mean, you can literally figure out there are so many templates. You can explore which one you want. Or maybe I like this design, daycare service. That looks great. I mean, why not? Let's click on it. Let's see what happens. So as soon you click on it, it can ask you, hey, do you want it to change logo or blah, 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 blah. You can explore from here. You can change the styles and things, color combination. I'm going to stick with the default one. Click on continue. This is a sort of survey form. You may or may not want to fill it. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit and build my website. Now, what we have seen, it was a template. There were a couple of hundreds like this on this Astra theme. A lot of them are free. Some of them are paid. You might want to buy a paid one in case if you like some of those designs. Now, this process might take a couple of minutes. So sit tightly. Let's wait. We're almost there. Boom. There we go. So yeah, it's been done. Let's check it out. Visit your website. Perfect. Wow. Exactly. It was showing there. Looks like this. It has a bunch of pages, write up. Initially, it will have some dummy text and dummy images. It has a bunch of pages like home page and about us page, program, admission, contact, blah, 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 blah. You can explore them. Now, one single note, if you wanted to edit this content, that's pretty simple and straightforward. I'm going to show you a quick example. Let's open home page. Let's make a tweak, a single tweak on this website. So if you are logged in into your dashboard, it's going to show this top bar. So all we're going to do, just press and hold the control button and I'll click on this edit with Elementor. If I do that, what it'll do, it'll open this home page into the page builder, which we chose while installing the package called Elementor. This is how the web page is built without even coding skills. Now, quick note, it might take a couple of seconds and it's opened up. Let me say continue and here we are. Now I have the infrastructure ready, whatever changes we wanted to make. Let's assume we wanted to change the number. We click on that. You can see this little pencil icon. You click on that and change the number to yours. Suppose you wanted to change this write-up. So every structure has a pencil icon. Once you hover the cursor, click on it and type anything. Hello, welcome to our business. Whatever you want to type it. As soon you make the change, all you got to do, just click on update. And that's pretty much it. Now this website has been up to dated. Whatever we wrote, the new write-up into our website. That's amazing. You can see the phone number. Let me show you one quick example how to change image. Let's hover on the image, click on the pencil icon on the left hand side. You can see the image. Just click on choose image. From here, you can upload a new image from your side. I'm going to use any random image from the media library. Media library is just the dummy images which came with the website, the images which is been used in multiple spaces. And if you can see that, I did change the image and it shows on the real time. I'm going to click on update and that's pretty much it. Well, it was a fun while working on this website. You can go ahead, make the changes accordingly. Hope it makes sense for you. If any of you guys have some situation or seeing some trouble, feel free comment and let me help you out. You have a good one. Guys, feel free subscribe for my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, it's gonna be a great motivation to create more videos like that. And make sure you press the bell button. If I create more videos, more tutorials, it can get you the notification. I would love to see you in other videos.